How to improve iPhone camera quality for all iPhone. If you've been wondering how to improve the camera quality on your iPhone, you're in the right place. Whether you have the latest model or an older iPhone, I'm going to show you some simple tips to make your photos and videos look amazing. Let's get started. Tip number 1, clean your camera lens. It may sound simple, but a dirty lens can drastically affect your photos. Just grab a microfiber cloth and gently wipe off any finger dust, fingerprints, or smudges. Make sure the lens is free of any obstructions that your iPhone camera can capture the sharpest images. Tip number 2 is to turn on the grid lines. This will help you follow the rule of thirds for better composition in your photos. Go to settings and go to camera and find grid and make sure it's toggled on. With the grid on, your screen will show a 3x3 grid to help you align the subject for more professional looking shots. Now tip number 3 is to use portrait mode. Simply open the camera and go to portrait mode. This mode allows you to take stunning photos with a blurred background, making your subject stand out. Just swipe to the portrait in the camera app and adjust the lighting as a professional. Now tip number 4 is manually adjust exposure and focus. Tap on the screen to focus on your subject. Let me show you how. As you can see here, simply tap on the subject to make sure your subject is focused. You can also use night mode. If night mode isn't on by default, you can simply turn it on by going to the arrow and simply clicking on the moon options, and you can simply choose up to max. And that's it. These are some of the tips that will help to remove and improve your iPhone camera quality. With these tips, you can take your photos and videos to the next level.